Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Amna. You're watching Something Hot, and this is a brand new program called Fashion Fortnightly. आज मेरे साथ हैं ताबिश खोजा.
Amna Isani.
Tabish is, I think, the country's most experienced and good style director. कि कैसी अंग्रेजी बोली है मैंने? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इनकी जो टेस्ट है और इनका जो सेंस ऑफ स्टाइल है वो कोई बहुत ही बाकियों से एलिवेटेड है. कोई ऐसा ब्रांड नहीं है पाकिस्तान में जिसके साथ इन्होंने काम ना किया हो, कोई ऐसा एड नहीं है जिस पे इन्होंने काम ना किया हो, कोई ऐसी सेलिब्रिटी नहीं है पाकिस्तान में जिन पे इन्होंने काम ना किया हो. अब वो कभी लुक्स अच्छी होती हैं, बुरी होती हैं. जब अच्छी होती हैं तो ये क्रेडिट ले लेते हैं, बुरी होती हैं तो ये सेलिब्रिटीज में डाल देते हैं कि ये लोग सुनते नहीं हैं. तो इनको आज बिठाया है ये देखने के लिए दैट इस हफ्ते में कौन कौन सी लुक्स हमें नजर आई हैं ऑन सोशल मीडिया. कोई इवेंट्स तो हुए नहीं है. सो इन फैशन फोर्टनाइटली वी विल पिकिंग आउट our favorite and worst favorite, least favorite looks.
Looks.
Looks. We'll be talking about fashion. We'll be talking about style. क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या बुरा लग रहा है. Of course, these are our opinions.
Yeah. And so please आप अपने दिल पे ना ले लेना कि हाय ये पता नहीं क्यों बोल रहे हैं ऐसे, मगर these are certainly our opinions.
So you're not going to mince your words?
No, I'm going to be very fair to what I feel.
Right.
Everybody has their own style, but thank you, Amna, for a lovely introduction. And I'm very excited to be doing this with Amna because Amna is also very picky. She chooses दूर से देखती है कि ये है वो. So I'm glad that she chose me for this, and lovely to be with you on this.
Yes, it's great. I'm really excited about this. आप लोग प्रोग्राम देखें, whatever you feel, whether you agree with us or disagree with us, नीचे comments में अपने
comment below.
Absolutely, leave your comments. And we'll see you in a bit.
और अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते तो पूरा बोलना सही तरीके से सीख लें.
ये भी कहना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So Tabish, there hasn't been much happening on social media this week, but I think the most prominent thing was Minal Khan and Mohsin Ikram's
honeymoon.
Yeah.
Honeymoon in Maldives. Maldives is such a beautiful location to be in.
Did I say his name right?
Yeah, Ehsan Mohsin Ikram.
Ehsan Mohsin Ikram, yeah.
So I think you've been to Maldives. You went for some shoot.
You didn't come with us,
No, I wasn't there. But I was too busy at that time.
Right.
But it's such a beautiful location to be in, and especially when it's honeymoon, right?
Yeah.
And I think a beautiful couple, lovely people, both of them. But what I feel about is that since they are celebrities, right? They have their personal life, lovely personal life. They can keep it personal 100%. But थोड़ा सा style sense और ज़्यादा कहीं से I don't blame them because they are actors, right?
No, what are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that she looked lovely in that linen white shirt, but she could have paired it better.
ठहर जाओ. पहले हमने तस्वीर देखी उनकी बिजनेस क्लास में मॉलडीव्स फ्लाई करते हुए. उस पर उनके कपड़े नजर नहीं आ रहे थे. Then we started seeing pictures of Minal Khan mostly.
Yeah.
I felt that Ehsan's looks were very Maldivi, beachy, because he was wearing Bermuda shorts and t-shirts throughout.
Yeah.
और एक दो में shirtless भी थे तो वो भी ठीक है चलता है.
वो भी ठीक है.
वो चलता है बीच में. Minal की जो looks थी वो एक तो I have to say Minal is beautiful and she looked stunning on her wedding.
She's beautiful skin, she's
lovely.
Beautiful hair. She's a lovely girl.
Lovely girl. तो यहाँ पे उनकी 2-3 looks सामने आई. बेसिकली उन्होंने लेयरिंग की हुई थी नीचे, या तो टी शर्ट के ऊपर व्हाइट लिनन की शर्ट पहनी हुई थी या मे बी स्विम सूट के ऊपर पहनी हुई थी. एक उन्होंने डेनिम की शॉर्ट्स पहनी हुई थी. सो आई फेल्ट दैट
उन डेनिम की शॉर्ट्स की जगह नहीं बनती थी. शॉर्ट्स सही हैं. They could have been linen shorts or maybe linen pants or
something loose and breezy, right?
Loose and breezy and climate appropriate.
I felt that though she looked very sweet, she looked as if somebody who's not comfortable in that look, basically.
Yeah, she was not
very comfortable in the looks that she put out. Even that green dress, जब उन्होंने जिसमें तस्वीर डाली थी, green dress था, I thought it was an awful dress.
Achha, I don't blame Minal because she's a beautiful girl and she's a great actress, But हर जरूरी नहीं हर इंसान के अंदर उस तरह का style sense ability हो to do clothing according to the environment or according to the climate. So I don't blame her, but by this time one should learn how to actually.
I don't know, Tabish, बड़ा मुश्किल है because how many beach holidays do people go on?
Yeah.
Generally, I
Yeah.
mean, अगर आप Priya Altaf को बीच पे, you will get the right look, right?
Yeah,
You will get the big hats and you will get the
Yeah.
swimsuit के ऊपर the kaftans and
And the
all of
right
that.
colours
And the
also.
right colors, yeah.
Yeah.
If you're in Maldives, you would wear a lot of white.
Yes.
A lot
You'll
of
wear
maybe
a lot of white and a lot of neons maybe,
a lot of
or
fluorescence,
fluorescence.
right?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
they look stunning. But you know, Minal, thoda sa agar experiment kare, she could look very, very,
She
very
could,
different.
and I think
Yeah.
she even has
She
the
has
guts
great
to.
potential.
I
Yeah.
think she even has the
Yeah.
guts to experiment.
Yeah, 100%.
वो झिझकती नहीं है.
Sorry, the fly is just so non-fashionable.
The fashionable fly.
Yeah.
Or not. There was one picture of hers in which she's wearing, it's a black, maybe it's a swimsuit, जिस पे
It's
छोटे
a-
छोटे hearts हैं.
Yes, yes, yes.
And उसके ऊपर उन्होंने white jacket layering की हुई है, which
Yes.
was, but I really loved
I
the
loved,
tan.
I loved
Yeah.
this image.
This
Actually,
image was beautiful.
this image is really, really beautiful, Minal.
You
Good
don't have to
job.
show it, it'll just run on the screen.
Yeah.
This was, I
This is
felt my favorite
lovely.
image from her honeymoon pictures.
बहुत प्यारी तस्वीर है.
बहुत खूबसूरत तस्वीर है. You know, the drink in the hand and the nice tan.
Yeah.
And the tied back, slicked back hair. तो ये
And
बड़ा
the little detail of the green earring there, you know,
हाँ.
just adds value.
it does.
Yeah.
ये तस्वीर बहुत अच्छी थी.
ये बहुत अच्छी
ये
तस्वीर
बहुत
है.
अच्छी थी. लेकिन overall मेरे ख्याल है मिनाल जो है वो उनकी honeymoon looks in Maldives जो थी वो बहुत Maldives
But
appropriate
Chani, we'll
थी.
give it to her for because that, you know, she's actually enjoying her
Yeah,
holiday.
yeah.
And she's on honeymoon. So
Yes,
that's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Exactly. Moving on.
Moving on.
Moving on from Maldives to Paris, Tabish.
Oh my God.
नहीं,
What
अब
was
इतनी
that?
जल्दी?
Yes,
Why?
of course. I was expecting a lot more.
So we're talking about the L'Oreal show in Paris.
Yes.
And of course, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is one of the brand ambassadors of L'Oreal. And कई सालों के बाद she's made a comeback to the show.
Yeah.
पहले I think she was taking a break from her marriage and she was pregnant and काफी देर तक वो आई नहीं. And there were two prominent looks in her stay. One was a casual look in which she was wearing
Some
denim
denim
with a slit flare
with
denim
some kurta
trouser.
gone wrong,
No,
with
no.
so much of
It was
embellishment. What
a,
was that?
It was a Rahul Mishra jacket.
Sorry, it looked really, really horrendous.
Why?
Because I didn't like it.
There was too much happening.
There was too much happening. The hair was also open because it's also L'Oreal, right? So you have to keep in mind it's all hair and beauty
makeup.
related.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you know, there's so much of fabric here.
Too
Then
much
she's also
fabric.
heavy these days. So you know, it's just I think it was not very flattering. It wasn't that
No, it
flattering,
wasn't.
and the color palette was just so weird.
No, she was completely swathed in that jacket.
Yeah.
मतलब the jacket was wearing her. ऐसा
Instead
नहीं
of-
था कि
yeah.
उन्होंने jacket पहनी हुई थी, jacket उनको पहनी हुई थी.
And those wrong shoes
The
that I want
black
to talk
boots
about.
and the slit wali
you know, yeah,
jeans
slit
and-
jeans and everything was just.
लेकिन भाई ये look तो बहुत अच्छी थी compared to the look that she wore to the actual show.
Yeah, the
Which
white
was
one.
a white bodysuit with a kind of a draped sari type of a thing और अलग से उन्होंने एक
अलग से
सा-
एक दुपट्टा पीछे वो आ रही थी
ऐसे।
खेत में भागती हुई. It seemed like that. But वो पता नहीं क्या था. Why it was
अच्छा,
that
now
way.
the thing is that Aishwarya is one of the most beautiful women in the world.
Yes,
Miss
certainly.
World भी वो रह चुकी हैं और हमने उनकी फिल्मों में उनके हुस्न को कितना किया है.
बिल्कुल,
अभी
बिल्कुल.
हम
She
दिल
has
दे चुके
ruled
सनम
the
में और
industries all over the
exactly.
world, and she's the like queen of camera.
Queen
so,
of
you know,
camera.
Yeah, so.
And she's beautiful in front of the camera. But this look, and I wouldn't.
Achha, I met her once. We were there for Manish Malhotra ke show pe
हाँ.
in Doha. And you know, she's so beautiful. She's flawless. हम समझते थे वो आँखें ये सब fake है. You know, when I
नहीं.
saw her, she was
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
She was really out of this world.
She's beautiful.
And then you style her so badly.
so badly.
I feel sad.
अच्छा मैं ये भी नहीं कहूँगी कि you know she's put on weight. I wouldn't body
That's
shame
okay.
her.
See,
That's fine.
that's okay. Everybody
Yeah.
changes with a certain time and age. That's completely
Exactly.
fine. I've also changed over the years from being from 73 to I don't know what kgs now, but you know that's age and that's life.
Okay.
But you know, I
But
think
no, it wasn't a very. It was an underwhelming.
was not flattering.
It
you
was
know.
very underwhelming.
It was too heavy on the bust. It was too heavy on the
कोई
bust.
breathing space नहीं
कुछ
थी.
नहीं था. It was like it was too choky. The color was beautiful.
अच्छा नहीं मेरा ख्याल है कि जो white on white करना बहुत मुश्किल है You need to have the right whites.
Right white and the
J-Lo
right
does the
silhouette.
right,
And the right silhouette.
and the right silhouette.
Silhouette is very, very
It
important.
was an awful look. So
Yeah.
the show was, the theme this year was women empowerment, and it was anti-abuse on the streets. So obviously a really good theme. And you had people like Helen Mirren, and you had Camila Cabello, and you had Amber Heard, and all these
Yeah,
people
all their
were
ambassadors,
walking.
yeah.
All the ambassadors were walking. एक तो I don't think anybody looked outstanding. सभी बहुत blah looks थी इस दफा.
हाँ, कुछ इतना रजिस्टर नहीं
नहीं.
हुआ. जो सबसे बुरा था वो सबसे ज्यादा रजिस्टर हो गया.
लेकिन
जो सबसे
ऐश्वर्या
बुरा
का तो सबसे ही बुरा था, बहुत ही बुरा था.
Yeah.
I mean, she's beautiful, of course. At 47, she looks great.
Whoever did this,
अच्छा, I really tried to find out कि किसने इनको स्टाइल किया, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं
बेहतर हो
चल
सकता था वैसे.
हाँ, exactly. But no.
But I love the lip color, the fuchsia color that she's wearing.
The lip color.
And the hair, because she's known for beauty. What are we talking about?
She's a beautiful woman.
She's a beautiful woman.
She's a beautiful woman.
Blue-eyed woman.
Yeah, but she's not always been the best dressed woman.
Yeah, not always.
Not
yeah,
always.
she has not been able to discover her fashion sense.
No,
actually,
no.
Her fashion personality. Once you discover that, it's much easier for you to set into a wardrobe or an outfit given by any designer in the world, because the designer also understands this is her flavor, or this is, when you go for shopping, you know exactly about your parents or your siblings. अगर उनका इतना fashion sense develop हो चुका है आपके दोस्तों के बारे में, you can actually point out and say that this is
your look.
This is your look, or
Yeah.
this is your outfit. For instance, there's a rack anywhere in the world, and there's an outfit, and you look at that outfit and you know exactly, this is J-Lo,
Right.
or this is Rihanna, or this
Right.
is
Lady
Beyonce,
Gaga.
or Lady Gaga, or
Yeah.
you exactly know, because they have discovered the fashion sense by now, or even Sonam Kapoor for that matter.
Yeah.
So वो आप अपना अगर develop कर लें या discover कर लें, then everything is easy.
But Aishwarya's look has been all over the place. I actually
Yeah.
really like her in a sari.
She looks when she's dressed up sophisticatedly, I think that's her persona.
Yeah.
So she should
The
carry that.
elegance.
All of that happening was not elegant at all.
Was not elegant.
Yeah.
Talking about elegance,
Yeah.
and coming to our third look, which is Samina Ahmed.
Gee, bilkul. I
With
saw her in
the-
this mint
yeah,
green.
in this mint green outfit, which was from, I think, Maria B's ready-to-wear collection. And I mean, at one would wish that at 74, everybody looks that elegant.
Aging gracefully is very important,
Yes.
and I think she's done a very good job with it. She has her own flavor that she celebrates, and she has continued that over the years. So हम तो बचपन से देख रहे हैं उनको TV पे.
Exactly.
So we have seen she's just evolved with time and is aging very, very
But it's like
gracefully.
quite traditional, unka ek sense of style.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. She always used to
She
wear
always-
sarees.
sarees and a lot of cotton gararas on television
sarees,
as well.
always, from PTV time, yeah.
Even now, the pistachio green lambi kameez with the scallop dupatta and the dhaka pajama with the delicate embroidery, the color was so appropriate.
Yes.
Very
really
age appropriate.
Age appropriate.
Yeah, very
That's
elegant.
what I said, age gracefully.
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल में बहुत हसीन लग
बहुत
रही थी
हसीन लग रही थी. It also complemented the color. Should also, maybe if you're wearing the wrong silhouette, for instance, Aishwarya was wearing a wrong silhouette with that denim thing.
Totally.
But if she was wearing the right color, it would have saved her.
Yeah.
Or if she would have not worn an embellished jacket, and the same jacket was different fabric, it would have saved a lot.
कुछ तो होता ना,
कुछ
या तो
different हो
the
जाता.
color, the
Maybe with
silhouette.
denim she could have worn white.
Yeah.
The same thing in white, in a softer fabric, in more flowy
वो
fabric.
तो
She
एक
would have
wasted
looked.
opportunity
Yeah,
थी बिल्कुल.
yeah, it
was
was.
a completely wasted opportunity.
Yeah.
Did you think that Kate Middleton's dress was a wasted
What was
opportunity?
that, guys? I
No,
want to
come on, it was
understand.
nice.
It was really nice, but it was not her again. She was wearing this gold color. I think she was paying tribute to Diana or
No,
something.
she always pays tribute to
Yeah.
Diana, but I liked it.
But it wasn't her flavor.
Yeah, but Tabish, look at that waistline.
We know.
She
no,
can carry
No,
anything.
but we know Kate Middleton for her own style.
But casual.
Which is very, very, hardly casual. Like
Really?
when she goes to like the weddings and etc., like formal events, she's dressed up. She came to Pakistan, right? And she looked
but
really
casual
nice in
looks,
those
Sina
outfits.
Sari.
Yeah, but those were her, that white dupatta shalwar kameez that she wore from Elan. She looked really, really beautiful in
I
it.
think that we kind of associate her with casual looks.
Yeah.
और जब वो formal करती हैं, we immediately relate her to Princess Diana.
Yeah.
And nobody can do better
There's
than
no
Princess. Nobody can do better
There's
than
no
Diana.
comparison.
So it's
actually.
kind of an unfair.
Yeah,
But
unfair.
इनका जो gown था Jenny Packham का,
हाँ.
it was metallic, it was gold beaded, it was had a lovely
Achha, maybe
cape
the
to it.
gold was not right for her.
You didn't think the gold? You didn't like
I
the
think
gold?
the gold was not right for her. Also, there was so much of fabric. Again, when there was so much of fabric. Like fabric को control और उसका ढाल और उसका जो सांचा होता है, I think that should be the right thing to happen.
फैब्रिक अब डायना का भी था 1985
But
में
वो क्या
when she
fabric था?
attended the
Did you
premiere
see?
of A View to a Kill.
And the way she's walking out.
It's about a
Yeah.
queen of
So,
princess of
no,
hearts.
but she picked and chose what she wanted to. I think Kate के पास शायद time नहीं है अभी कि she can pick and choose.
I think
Diana was more involved in.
No, I think that Diana had her own sense of style.
Yes.
And Kate doesn't really have her own when it comes to formal wear.
Formal wear.
And I think she's just up against.
I see her. I see Kate in Armani. I see Kate in like a cleaner silhouette, more body hugging, cleaner silhouette. Whether it's Armani or it's Valentino or it's of that sort. I don't see her in such jilmil. She tried, which is good, but I don't see her. Yeah, itna jilmil she can't handle. But the royal family
has been a regular at James Bond movie premieres.
Yeah.
Queen Elizabeth ने भी attend किया हुआ है. Princess Diana ने attend किया था, and she was wearing Bruce Oldfield, who's a royal family favorite designer.
I remember that dress.
And इस दफा भी Prince Charles and Camilla Parker Bowles. I still call her Camilla Parker Bowles. She was also there. And but nobody really cares what they were wearing.
Yeah.
Or what actually Andrew was wearing.
But that pink jacket, everybody.
Of course, Daniel Craig's pink.
Love
tuxedo.
That velvet pink tuxedo.
It had a lot of mixed opinions, right? कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि
अच्छा मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm very daring and very nice, and I think from black and white, from James Bond to this, I don't know if I should call it flamboyant.
It was flamboyant.
Yeah.
बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि ये भूल गए हैं कि he's 007 and he's not Austin Powers.
क्या हो गया?
Piers
Pink color is
Morgan
not just for women.
No, and somebody said that you keep forgetting that he's not James Bond right now. He's Daniel Craig and he can wear whatever he wants to wear.
He wants to.
I thought he looked really good.
He was not performing a character.
अच्छा, interestingly, he wore an Anderson and Shepherd jacket, but पतलून उनकी नहीं थी. पतलून किसी और ब्रांड की थी. Henry Poole की pants थी.
Which is okay.
Which,
as long as it fits you nicely,
and then of course his Omega Seamaster. जिनके वो brand ambassador हैं.
But I love the jacket.
The jacket was so cool.
Yeah.
I think Daniel Craig actually can't look bad.
He's too handsome for anything.
He's too handsome, yeah.
If you put him in a kurta shalwar, he'll look
अब ये मुझे पता ये शायद
try करते हैं. Please Daniel, आप आएं ना.
अब बुलाते हैं उनके. हाँ, अब तो आ ही जाएं.
जी.
So 5 events, 5 looks.
Yeah, it was a good mix, I believe.
Anything else? So we plan to have this program every fortnight, which is why it's called Fashion Fortnightly. लेकिन ये pilot show है. अगले हफ्ते हम जरूर एक और प्रोग्राम करेंगे because इस weekend
बहुत exciting है.
इस weekend होंगे कराची में Lux Style Awards. उस पे आपको मिलेंगी बेतहाशा रेड कार्पेट लुक्स, जिनमें से बहुत सारी ये साहब स्टाइल करेंगे.
बहुत सारी नहीं, very.
और उसके बाद जब हम उनको उधेड़ेंगे बैठ के तो फिर आप
अपने काम को क्रिटिक करूंगा.
वो मैं करूंगी आपके काम को.
आप मैं नहीं बोलूंगा अपने काम के बारे में, ये बोलेंगे.
जी मैं आपके काम को क्रिटिक करूंगी और आप बताएंगे कि
और मैं बताऊंगा भी नहीं कि मैंने किया है किसका कि नहीं किया. आप बताएंगे.
ठीक है.
You will tell.
That have you styled this person or not?
Yeah. Or you can actually say I think this one you have styled. And
you styled this very well or not too well?
You decide.
Okay. Yeah. But next week should be lots of fun.
Yeah.
Lux Style Award looks, and the show is happening.
The show is finally happening.
It's finally happening. It's not going to be a gala event, but there is going to be a red carpet, and there will be a lot of celebrity
presence.
Social
media will be flooded with images. Hopefully it is.
And hopefully our celebrities will rise to the occasion and not turn up in frumpy gowns.
Yeah. No, but I think it's okay to. I should reserve my comments at the moment because I'm thinking of visuals coming out, and I feel like Amna is going to hold me accountable for half of it.
You will be held accountable. लेकिन हमें पता है ताबिश कि a lot of people come in with a thought of what they want to wear,
See,
and they do not deviate. वो नहीं सुनते.
नहीं, but मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं.
सोच लो जो कहने वाले हो.
हाँ, being a stylist, you know,
हाँ.
I've been styling for about 8-9 years now.
हाँ.
It's been 11 years in this field of fashion, and I feel you need to build trust of the other person to have faith in you that you will not make them look bad. And that is the trick. That is where you take it right or wrong. A lot of celebrities, they don't require stylists. They are themselves in their head.
Yeah.
You know, they're sorted. They need wardrobe coordinators.
Right.
So when you put wardrobe coordinators with a celebrity and then you blame this, and then you say that the stylist did the wrong job, actually आपको पता भी नहीं है वो wardrobe coordinator था या वो stylist था.
Right.
Because you know, because red carpet की एक जो look, all of these looks that we talked about, we basically talked about their personal style.
Yeah.
And if the personal style is not visible in the outfit that they're wearing, what is the point of them wearing it?
ये भी तो है ना कि हमारी बहुत सी celebrities का personal style है ही नहीं.
So वो develop करना पड़ता है ना. You develop that with teams around you.
Right.
You bring people together to
Right.
make yourself look good
Right.
when you're a public figure. When you're not a
Right.
public figure, you're not worried. Even people who are not public figures, they're worried to look good, and they approach people who know style or fashion, and they go through websites and they go through YouTube videos like these that, you know, they want to learn. Learning तो आप कभी भी कर सकते हो in whatever age, and style has no limit.
Style has no limit,
No limit.
guys, and there should be no limit to your comments either.
Yes.
And so this was a pilot. We hope to see you next week.
Yes.
And Tabish, anything else you want to say? पहले से ही इससे पहले के looks आए सारी सामने.
I think.
अच्छा बता दो ताबिश किस किस को स्टाइल कर रहे हो?
अभी से बता दूं. आपसे नहीं सिलेक्ट करना हो.
मैं गेस करूं, गेसिंग गेम चलेगी. मैं गेस करूंगी जी अगले हफ्ते के ताबिश ने किस किस को स्टाइल किया.
पता ही चल जाएगा
पता
सबको
चल
सोशल मीडिया पे आप क्या.
Exactly.
बट वो ना
इसलिए कह रही हूं बता ही दो.
वो मेरा फ्लेवर जो है नजर आता है. Like I don't know. I'll not put out names.
He will not put out names. I will guess next week कि किसने किसको स्टाइल किया है और किसने नहीं सुना. Because मुझे पता है ऐसे भी सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो नहीं सुनते.
अच्छा मेरे पास वो आता ही नहीं जो नहीं सुनता. Because they know I'm very strong-headed.
So don't forget to tune in next week for an LSA special of Fashion Fortnightly. I hope you enjoyed the program. We did miss Hassan, लेकिन हसन ने बहुत क्लियरली कह लिया मेरा फैशन से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं दूर तक.
वैसे हसन जो करते हैं ड्रामे के ऊपर वो तो जबरदस्त है. वो मुझे भी नहीं आता. I can't even do it.
तो हसन को हमने बख्श दिया Fashion Fortnightly करने से.
Yes.
Of course, he will be there at the Lux Style Awards and we will have a lot to discuss about the awards themselves with Hassan. But see you
Also, we
next.
can discuss the performances and how they could have looked better.
वो
Or
मैं
how
और हसन करेंगे ना.
performances ये करेंगे. हम red carpet करेंगे.
जी हम रेड कार्पेट करेंगे.
Okay, cool.
So, guys,
the only
thank you.
constant is आमने सानी किया.
जी मैं ही हूँ जो आपको दोनों जगह नजर आऊंगी. But thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in next week and I hope you enjoyed the show.